Are you looking for the best yoga mats in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best yoga mats that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Primasole Folding Yoga Travel Pilates Mat. Suppose you like to play outside but don't want to cringe when dirt, sand, pine needles, or gravel meet your yoga mat. In that case, you may be interested in an inexpensive foldable mat, with no worries about destroying your high-dollar primary practice mat. The Primasole Foldable costs less than a drop in yoga class and folds into a packable 10 by 12-inch square that is easy to tuck into a tote or backpack. This mat isn't the most comfortable, firm, durable, or grippy, but it is ultralight, under 2 pounds, and we love its simplicity for urban green spaces or wild adventures. We even talked with a backcountry park ranger who loves taking the Primasole on short patrols in the wilderness. After outside play, it is no hassle to hose this mat down, let it air dry, and fold it back into a square for your road trip kit. The Primasole is a budget option that you don't have to worry about playing with outside, so it doesn't offer the performance of other fancier mats. If you want a home practice mat, look at our other award winners for options with joint-friendly comfort, grounding stability, and extreme grip. The cushion on this one is thin. One of our testers rolled up a shirt when she needed extra knee padding doing yoga on a granite slab in Yosemite. Made of PVC, the Primasole is also not the most sustainable option, so if you want a more environmentally sound purchase, consider more renewable materials. That said, while this mat won't offer the comfort and grip of your traditional rollout mat, we love it for yoga at the park or hiking. Moving on at number 4. We have the Yoloha Yoga Original Cork Yoga Mat. The cork padding and 6 mm thickness of the Yoloha Yoga Original Cork Yoga Mat is ideal for people looking for joint support and sweat absorption. We found the cork to be firm enough to avoid sinking into it and bouncy enough to prevent feeling the studio floor underneath you. The cork also cushions under hands and feet with minimal slipping. Our experts said the cork materials are absorbent, too, so they're suitable for a variety of slower flow to higher intensity yoga classes. There are some things to consider before investing in this mat. After unboxing, the mat did not lay flat and the edges of the mat did curl slightly. This didn't impact or interfere with the yoga flow or practice. We did notice a slight chemical smell while in child's pose, but it wasn't overpowering or too unpleasant. It's important to remember that cork mats don't roll up as nicely as mats made from other materials, including PVC and rubber. The large size of the final yoga mat roll didn't fit well into the provided carrying strap. It is still a lightweight option, so if you don't want to use a carrying strap, you should be just fine bringing it to classes anyway. However, because it's on the bulkier side, this may be a better mat for using at home where you can keep it unrolled. Like other mats on this list, you can clean your cork mat with a spot clean method using natural soap or spray and laying flat to dry. At number 3, we have the Jade Yoga Harmony Yoga Mat. Crafted from open-cell natural rubber, the Jade Harmony Yoga Mat provides both a comfortable cushion and a firm grip for your yoga practice. Open-cell rubber is naturally derived, not synthetic, and provides a superior non-slip grip experience over synthetic rubber. We found the grip to be excellent, and it wasn't as slippery as some of the other mats we tried. You should know though that even natural materials can have off-gassing periods, too, or a period of time when the mat smells. We noticed a slight smell during the child's pose, where the forehead is on or near the mat. And at 5 mm thickness, this mat provides a balance of softness and stability, so you can focus on your poses and breathwork even when practicing on hard studio floors. We liked that the mat was thick and the surface was firm, but not overly plush. For that reason, this mat may be particularly helpful for people with foot health conditions that may impact their balance, such as plantar fasciitis. At a total weight of around 5 pounds, most will be able to comfortably carry the mat in and out of classes without risk of strain. To keep this mat clean, the manufacturer recommends using their plant-based formula for a quick spray and wipe down after each yoga session. You can also use a natural, unscented soap to spot clean or do a full wipe down of the mat. Let the mat fully dry before rolling and storing. You'll be able to roll the mat up for easy cleanup after working out. But do note this yoga mat doesn't come with a carrying strap for easy travel and storage. At number 2, we have the Manduka PRO Yoga Mat. The Manduka PRO offers cushion and support to every ability level. We've seen this 6mm mat used for everything from complicated arm and head balances to mobility work when recovering from injury. We even know one yoga therapist who uses this mat for cancer patients because the cushion supports their joints, and the mat won't budge when they work through balancing postures. We love that this mat is accessible and is a trustworthy foundation for both athletic practice and therapy. The textured surface provides excellent traction so you can focus on extending your spine rotation in poses like Parivrtta Trikonasana, twisted triangle, instead of wasting energy trying to keep your feet from sliding out. The PRO is durable over decades. We met someone who has used this mat for 20 years, and it still looks new. It can serve yogis underfoot through different stages of their lives, from rigorous daily flows to injury recovery to inward-focused yin. The best mat is a dependable, subtle support for a transformative journey, and the PRO fits that description. At 7.5 pounds, the PRO is heavy. You may need a little extra yoga to undo the back-breaking work of lugging it across town. We jest. Still, some of our testers are so devoted they will fly anywhere with it. But we have great lightweight options like the Hugger Mugger Earth Elements if you regularly carry your mat long distances. The PRO also becomes more slippery when wet and may only be your first choice for hot yoga if you pair it with a towel, which Manduka makes sized to perfectly fit the PRO. Bottom line, this is one of our favorites for comfort and stability and a time-tested favorite of many yoga teachers. And finally at number 1, we have the BalanceFrom GoYoga All-Purpose Yoga Mat. The BalanceFrom All-Purpose Yoga Mat is affordable and can be taken anywhere since it weighs under 2 pounds, and it comes with a handy fabric carrying strap. We love the strap that comes with this yoga mat because it fits super tight and makes the mat super easy to carry and store. We also love how this mat is a little thicker than most, but still allows for good grip, making it versatile for both yoga and other exercises like HIIT or weights. And the thickness of this foam material mat really is unmatched. At over 12 millimeters thick, you can rest assured your hips, knees, elbows, and wrists are supported in every pose on every studio floor. This is particularly beneficial for people who are newer to yoga and looking for additional joint support or for people who have joint conditions like osteoarthritis. However, not every yogi is going to feel at peace on a thicker mat. It comes down to personal preference much of the time, but it's worth noting that the mat didn't lay flat right out of the box. Not ideal if you're wanting to use it straight away while on the road. A slight squeaking noise was also noticeable during yoga pose transitions. You'll want to spot clean the mat and lay flat to dry, but you can toss the strap into your washing machine for easy cleaning. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.